Caffeine content of cold-brewed coffee, higher or lower than hot-brewed? I recently rediscovered the joys of cold-brewing coffee. 1 level cup of rough ground beans, 4-1/2 cups of cold water, steeped overnight and strained, produces a rich coffee concentrate. A shot or 3 of concentrate in a mug topped with hot water makes a cup of coffee. Poured over ice and milk makes a fantastic iced coffee drink. The information I've found online is contradictory. One site, see link. 1. Says this method produces a drink with less caffeine than traditional hot-brewed coffee. Another, see link. 2. Says it actually contains more caffeine. On the one hand, there's the heat in the traditional method. On the other hand, the beans are in contact with the water for 12 hours in the cold method. It seems as if the caffeine content could be identical, while the beans used will, of course, alter the outcome. Does anyone know for certain if cold-brewed coffee has more or less caffeine than hot-brewed?
According to the Wikipedia article on caffeine, see link 2. Its solubility is drastically different between room temperature and boiling, 2 grams, 100 milliliters room temperature to 66 grams, 100 milliliters at boiling. I assume this means it's easier to get caffeine into boiling rather than cold water, but the drastically longer steeping time may counteract this. It's worth noting that the solubility is far higher than the actual amounts of caffeine that's in coffee. Farther down the page it mentions caffeine per liter of liquids like coffee, 386 to 652 milligrams per liter. If you can find similar information about cold-steeped coffee, it might help. There's an article from MSNBC which quotes the Toddy Company. The Toddy Company makes a device for easy brewing cold-brewed coffee. Apparently, in a side-by-side test of Toddy cold-brewed with Starbucks hot-brewed, the caffeine content was approximately 30% less in cold-brewed than in hot. I'll go with that. http://today.msnbc.msn.com/id/5728227. See link 2.